Hello, YouTube. I am Vince White. I am an employment attorney, although I perhaps don't look like one right now. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. I look very casual. I'm pressed for time, but I need a video to go live tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. because that's the contract I've made with all of you. That's the understanding we have, right? So, I look like duty, but we're going to do our duty. YouTube user Isaiah, who may have used his last name, so I will not use that, says, hey, thank you for your wisdom. I appreciate that. I don't know if I have any wisdom. Hopefully I have some answers, maybe some knowledge about this process in specific. Isaiah goes on, can I take my job to small claims court with a right to sue letter? So Isaiah, generally speaking, when we're talking about the right to sue letter, we're usually talking about the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which is a federal agency, and that right to sue letter from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is only required to take your employer to federal court. Now, there are a couple of exceptions. In a couple of states, state agencies will also offer their own form or version of a right to sue letter. Those laws are different from state to state. I'm not allowed to give you advice about the laws of those states. So check with local counsel if that's something you're dealing with. But if you're talking about a right to sue letter from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC, you only need that right to sue letter to pursue a workplace discrimination or workplace sexual harassment or related retaliation claim in federal court under federal claims. You can take your employer to small claims for all sorts of things without needing a right to sue letter. You can take, in most of the country, your employer to state court for a variety of things without needing a right to sue letter. I know it's confusing because there's different levels of legal apparatus here. There's going to be a state level, a local level, and the federal level, right? And honestly, it gets even more complicated than that because in the state level, you're going to have agencies and you're going to have arbitrators and state courts and with state judges and juries. There's a lot of things going on. But the general lay of the land is if you're dealing with the EEOC, the only thing you need a right to sue letter from the EEOC for is to file one of your claims, workplace discrimination, workplace sexual harassment, or related retaliation in federal court under the federal laws. That's not what you're doing. You don't need a right to sue letter. And in terms of whether or not you can bring your claim to small claims, that's a question for state and local laws, but it depends on your claim, and there's a good chance you probably could. It might be capped in what you can hope to recover. But listen, if your employer owes you $5,000 and you don't want to wait for the Department of Labor, I certainly know people who take that case to the small claims court to great effect. It can work out fantastic. I hope this helps, Isaiah. I wish you the greatest of luck, and I hope that you get your employer in the small claims court and that you are fierce and victorious and everything is wonderful. If this video is helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below. It helps me to help more people just like you. And share. That's how the channel grows. Share the videos. Thank you.